Welcome to my Dead Muffin Art channel. Learning how to draw is a rewarding and enriching process that can improve creativity, observation skills, and even problem solving abilities. Here is a beautiful drawing and painting, or you can say painting, of different colors and shading. Blend all the colors and paints and then shade it to draw a beautiful sky and the lake. At the upper side of the sky, draw different mountains like flag or whatever you want to draw. Drawing encourages you to really look at the world around you. You start noticing details like shadows, texture, and proportion that might go unnoticed otherwise. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more tutorials. The practice of drawing improves hand-eye coordination and precision, benefiting overall motor skills and dexterity. It can be meditative, reducing stress and promoting mindfulness as you become fully immersed in the process. Focus on drawing the outline of the object and whatever you want to draw. And if you draw the painting, overall focus on drawing the outline of the object. Practice drawing objects in proportion by comparing the sizes of different parts. Arrange everyday objects like a cup or whatever you want to draw like a scenery. Thanks for watching this video.